Hello everyone, I'm Harshita and I'm the creator of the Crypto Price Tracker app, which was launched on 20th January. Within 24 hours of launch, it was #2 app in finance in the App Store top charts for paid apps. It was featured on Product Hunt and it was also viral on Reddit. Um, I'm also about to interview with Apple this week for a feature, and I've been getting some acquisition offers for the app. So pretty exciting stuff, but I wanted to take this moment to thank Carla White, my mentor for this app. I remember I reached out to her super early on in this project when I just had an idea and a little prototype to show her. She was willing to help me pretty early on when I was pretty naive and didn't have a lot of idea about how I would actually launch the app in the market and gain users. Her advice about marketing turned out to be very valuable and helpful, and actually worked out for the app. Two pieces of advice that come to my mind are that she encouraged me to make a website early on, which gained to start getting email list subscribers, something that was very crucial later on because I was able to build an audience early on. And two was to start blogging. And I wrote 6 blog posts in total, but until launch, they collectively have over 200,000 views today. So I wouldn't have ever started if she hadn't told me about it. So super grateful to have her as a mentor, and cannot thank her enough for the time she took out to help me with her advice and gave me tips and connected to people when I needed it. So so as a token of appreciation, I just wanted to make a video for her for helping me make my app a success. Wouldn't have done without her. Thank you, Carla.